What's going on, guys? Quick video from Corolla Customs. If it wasn't for Wolfsmane on YouTube to comment under my video, I would have had no idea what I have done. I didn't even realize this part until he pointed it out. Just so much editing, so much filming, so much just being occupied while doing this caused me to make some minor mistakes. So let me correct them right now. Do not lube the underneath of the bearings. I just cleaned my passageways out, and I'm going to clean the under bearings. I'm going to put them on. Only lube the top side, not the underside, the top side. So the side that's sitting on the block, do not lube. The side that the crank will be sitting on, lube. Hope that cleared up any problems with anyone. I apologize for that mistake. Thank you again, Wolfsmane, for viewing my video and asking me that question and fighting with me a little bit on it, even though you weren't really fighting, but kind of challenging my thought on it. And then I only realized, until I watched back my video, I realized what I've done wrong. So just want to say again, Wolfsmane, thank you for that. And if you guys see anything that's wrong or you think that's weird, please question me on it, and I'll go back and revisit it. But thanks again, Wolfsmane, and part 2 will be out soon.